Hey Aptera fans, Chris here. We are laser focused on our target of getting Aptera on the road in 2026. And today I want to share an update on our progress and the thoughtful funding path we're using to get to production. Recently, we completed a $9 million equity raise, which is our first comprised of large institutional investors. This was a very intentional first step for us, and it brought new capital to Aptera in one large chunk. If all of the warrants in the transaction are converted, it could bring total gross proceeds to approximately $18 million to further fuel our progress towards production. The capital raised is being used right now to support our validation program and our preparations for production. I want to take a moment to sincerely thank Alliance Global Partners for their role in completing this raise. We're excited to begin building long-term relationships with new institutional partners who believe in Aptera's mission. Strictly from a strategy perspective, this new funding adds to our toolkit. It doesn't replace it. We have preserved our equity line of credit to ensure we have optionality available to us as we move forward. We also continue to work to unlock non-dilutive sources, like the CEC grant, which is designed to reimburse us as we clear specific production readiness milestones down the road. We have used $5 million of that grant so far, and approximately $17 million remains available to us. The goal is simple: ensure we have the resources to execute. All of this capital supports our execution. And right now, we have 6 validation vehicles actively in build, with 4 more starting soon. These vehicles represent a major step forward from anything we've built before. For the first time, we're seeing what a future production line could look like. This work is about validating the vehicle, validating the assembly process, earning our certifications, and carrying what we learned directly into the production phase. Each vehicle build is bringing us closer to delivering Aptera to customers and making solar mobility a reality. And importantly, I want to thank our community and all our supporters. Every reservation, every share, every conversation about Aptera has helped make this possible. Your belief in a cleaner, more efficient future is a huge part of why we're here. Aptera isn't just about building a vehicle. It's about rethinking transportation, reducing emissions, and proving that sustainability can be practical, exciting, and impactful. This year is all about execution for us. Putting our heads down, doing the hard work, and preparing for the moment when Aptera vehicles begin reaching customers and making a real difference on the planet. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Until next time.